was sleeping, a gypsy woman sneaked into my head when she said, "Oh, I've got a bottle of schnapps, let's get to know each other, drinking a belly full of laughs and some thoughts that beyond thinking. Let's play a game of those cards, my friend, because tonight I'm going to show you how the night, it never, never, never ends." Morning is 1,000 dreams away, and our expedition telling us to stay. So stay we will, we've got that gypsy lady perched upon a bow, and the Empire ship be heading where the wild ones stay. And now, oh how the gods look down and frown at those who never stood, and said my name is no one, and went a little mad. To time she sneaks back inside me and she say, "Lucky sing the secrets that I taught you always." Reply, "As long as I am living, I never forget that the sun is never rising and it never set. So let's make some fire and smoke, and then we'll go exploring in the night that never, never, never ends." Morning is 1,000 dreams away, and our expedition telling us to stay. So stay we will, we've got that gypsy lady perched upon a bow, and the Empire ship be heading where the wild ones stay. And now, oh how the gods look down and frown at those who never stood, and said my name is no one, and went a little mad. And went a little mad. I've got a tingle in my back and something sparking in my toes. I get the shivers through my body when a trumpet blows. When while asleep I am awake, and while awake I am dreaming. Before I start to think I am scheming. Just anybody tonight. It's because the woman in my head, she said tonight is never, never gonna end. street where old Frankie and me, we shuffle with